For you, Kat, I'm so happy na finally nahanap mo na din yung taong nilaan ng Diyos para sa'yo after all these years ng paghahanap, diba? So, right now, I'm just wishing na pagpatuloy niyo lang yung masaya yung pagsasama, and ang mahalaga naman is that you stay friends even if magkasama na kayo sa isang bahay. So, love each other, and I wish you good kids and good time.
Hi, Tati and Francis. Congrats sa wedding, and words of advice lang. Continue to take care of each other, understand each other, and also don't lose your love with each other kasi yun yung palagi na yung problema. So, yun. Good luck, and sa May Rose, good life, and good kids. Yun lang.
Hi, Tati and Francis. Congratulations. Ang wish ko sa inyo is happiness at good health. Yun na, continue your love for each other and understand each other. Congratulations.
First of all, best wishes for both of you. Someone advised me, a friend advised me that for couples to do well in their marriage, they should love each other very well, because having kids, it's natural for parents to love their kids, but for couples, you should always find
congratulations. Maging Mrs. Ugay ka na. Pag nag-decide ka na, hindi na Garcia. And basta sana maging happy ka. Alam ko na maging happy ka, pero huwag ka muna mag-aanak para makasama ka sa mga gimmick pa ng NB. Ayun.
Hi, Mrs. Ugay. Congratulations. Sana magsama kayo matagal ni Francis. At sana magkabibi ka na. Kasi, alam mo na, may edad na tayo. Joke lang, peace. Ayun, best wishes. Hindi, joke lang. Miss ka, ikakasal ka na ng Ax. Natatawa ako kasi parang masyado sila conscious. Conscious din ako. Inay, bakit ka magpapakasal? Pasalamat ka piniyaga kita. Sige, seryoso na. Miss Kat, ano ba sabihin ko? Sana maganda yung pagsasama niyo ni Mr. Ugay. Ngayon, Mrs. Ugay ka na. Sana kapag, sabi ko nga sa'yo, pag nabuntis ka, sana mataba ka kasi di bagay sa'yo payat. Hindi, Miss Kat. Sana maging maganda yung pagsasama niyo at yun lang.
Ayan na. Hi, Miss Kat! Ano ba? Congratulations! Malapit na yung wedding niyo ni Francis. Nag-enjoy kami nung prenup niyo. Ano ba? Fast forward na natin, baby na next. Best wishes, and sana ma-bless yung marriage nyo, and lagi lang iput si God sa center ng marriage. Yan lang.
Hi, Nati. Yan, sabi mo ikaw lang ang friend dito sa Manila. At nagpapasalamat ako doon. Best wishes. Yun. Sana magkami ka agad ng maraming anak. Tsaka, i-happy ka. Sana di ba magiging happy? Yun. Yun lang.
I'm so happy si kakasal ka na. Sana ako na yung next. If ever na hindi ako makapunta ako, sana. Gusto ko talaga makapunta. I'm so happy na kakasal ka na. Kasi matanda. Joke lang. Yun lang, best wishes, and sana hindi ka muna umalis ng Manila. Bye-bye. ate, uy, kakasal ka na. Ayan, sana makapunta ako. Sana lang. Kasi alam mo na, hindi ako maate. Wish ko sana, maging happy kayo. Tsaka magkaroon ng maraming anak. Yun lang. Best wishes. Hi, Cathy! Best wishes and congratulations, kakasal ka na sa wakas. Diba? Parang ang tagal-tagal nung nalaman namin na kakasal ka na. But, ito na, this is the day. Okay? So, hopefully, magkaroon kayo maraming anak and maging mga, aktivista rin sila. Gaya ni Kiko. So, pinapabati ni Cindy best wishes din. Ayan. Alam mo na kung kanina ipapasa yung yung bouquet. Okay, Joke lang. Okay. Basta yun na lang.
Hi, Ate Cathy! Ilang kasama kong dalawa dito. Props lang. Ayun, best wishes. Super excited na ako to see you walking down the aisle and me taking your pictures. Good luck, God bless. Sana si Lord yung maging center ng relationship niyo forever. At mag-remain yung friendship niyo rin forever. More babies, more happiness, more love life. Yun lang. Bye-bye. One, two, three, go. Best wishes!
Congrats! Married ka na! Ayun, congrats! Sana maging masaya ka, tapos... Ayun, sabi
Cathy, congratulations. Ikaw yung unang graduate sa atin. Mukhang ikaw rin unang... Ay, hindi. Meron pala si May. Sana magkaroon ng kalaro yung baby ni May.
Hi, Miss Kat. Happy birthday. Ay, nakakasal ba? Ayun, the best wishes. I know na you make a good wife to Ugay and a very good mother to your future children. Sana makabuo ka ng basketball team. Yeah.
Kati, congrats and best wishes sa inyo ni Ugay. Always love each other and always remember that we'll be with you always, and there may be ups and downs, but in the end you'll both get through it. Congratulations and best wishes.
Good luck sa bago mong career as a mother and as a wife.
We want to wish you much congratulations on your special day. We wish we could be there, but we can't, so we send you all of our love and prayers for many blessings on your new life together. We pray that God blesses you with a long and meaningful life and lots of love together.
And we want you to remember that today is only the first day of your married life, that this is and that we hope that this day is the day that you love each other least. And we look forward to seeing you when you come to Canada. And again, many blessings on you today and all the friends and family who are gathered with you. So we wish we could be there.
And congratulations,
And congratulations to you both.